Hi everyone, it's Delmit. Today I want to talk about how you can use Inventora to grow your candle business. Inventora was originally inspired by the struggles of a candle business, so we understand the challenges you face. Here are 4 Inventora features perfect for candle businesses. The first one is production runs. Whether you're making candles to order or restocking your inventory, Inventora's production board can help you stay organized and timely with your production runs. At a glance, you will be able to see which production runs are planned, in progress, or done. Clicking into a production card will give you more details. Of course, whenever you complete a production, your materials and products stock levels will automatically be adjusted for you. Also, with Inventora, you can easily keep your inventory accurate and organized. If an ingredient is running out of stock, it will show up in red, letting you know to order more. And when you receive the shipment of supplies, simply copy over the details to Inventora, and Inventora will automatically update your stock levels for you. You will also be able to see just how much you've spent over time and the total spent with each supplier. Another great feature is wholesale and invoicing. Candle businesses are uniquely positioned to sell wholesale, and Inventora can make this really easy for you. You can generate an invoice for any of your sales, complete with the sales details, billing address, shipping method, and order summary. On top of that, not only can your wholesale sales be tracked separately, you can also easily see at a glance which orders have been paid and which orders have still yet to be. And lastly, shop integrations. Are you selling through multiple e-commerce platforms or have an in-person stop? Simply sync Inventora with an e-commerce platforms you're using, and your inventory and sales data will be transferred over to Inventora. Any future sales you make through any of your channels will also automatically be recorded in Inventora. Inventora already syncs with Shopify, Etsy, Wix, Square, and WooCommerce, and we are always working on integrating with new e-commerce platforms. These are just some of the features Inventora offers, but there are so many more that can help grow your candle business. Try Inventora for free by clicking on the link in the description below. Happy making!